What's up, muscle car people? Bringing muscle cars here. I'm Jared. Today we're back with the Ford Fiesta video, and we are installing stainless steel brake lines. Alright guys, so we got our stainless steel brake lines from StopTech here. We have a front set, we got a rear set over there. What stainless steel brake lines do, they just give you a lot better pedal feel. They're not going to fade, they're not going to crack nearly as much as rubber lines will. We are going to put them in. It's a really simple process. Just make sure your car is up in the air, as we already have from a previous install this morning. You're just going to basically unbolt them, put the new ones in, and then we're going to go through and bleed the brakes. We WD-40'd the fitting where the brake line is and the bleeder, just to help. So all we're going to do is loosen that. You know what I did forget? I forgot the big line onto the actual caliper. Quinn, I need I think a 13. What? 13. Socket ratchet combo and a 10. So you really should be using a flared nut wrench for this. We're just using a regular 7/16 because we don't have a flared in this size.
Is this what you need?
But it's working.
13?
Yeah. Help if it was in the off. So you loosen that one, you're going to loosen the one on the caliper as well. Now they are going to spill brake fluid everywhere. So we set some cardboard down just to be sure it's
you
safe.
Want something more than cardboard?
Nah, it's good.
So is that like a banjo bolt?
Yep. We're going to need a 10 too. You don't want something to put that in? I have a container over here. Okay. I'm going to remove the bracket holding the line in right here. It's so nice to do this when they're not like
So do you think you'll feel like a difference just driving on the street?
No.
Or just like when you're only like braking at the limit?
Ah, shoot.
Depends how hard you're braking on the street.
That's true.
So there's a clip up here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it off with these little pliers.
Might need a screwdriver and pry at it.
Yeah, and maybe a screwdriver clean. But there's a little clip up there you're going to need to pop off.
Here, try this. Oh, it's like one of those slide ones?
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to be easier to get off and give that one.
The screwdriver worked a little bit. Going to use a shorter one. Brake line's just so nasty. I just need a shorter shaft. Other side, top, left side. My tools again. Sure. How do you not have your own tools, man? I hate those. Well, I don't know why you use them.
I like it.
All right, and then there's the clip. Brake line should just come out. Voila.
Wow, beautiful.
You're going to put this up, slide the line in and tighten it. It's adjustable, so that's nice.
Shiny.
Make sure you get that up there enough. The clip can shove into place.
Everything's a hammer if you believe.
Don't worry about that.
I think that it looks like the clip's kind of upgraded too.
I'm just trying to
Route the brake line properly. Explain that. That's important.
Oh, pretty much just want to route it so it doesn't.
Rub on anything.
Yeah, that's it. Really.
Turn the wheel the whole way to lock and it just rips the line out.
That's not ideal. Where's that hammer? Never mind. Alright, so once you got everything in, tighten it all back up. This just takes forever because it's a wrench. Alright. Go and do me a favor, go just press the brake line.
Yep. Check for leaks.
Yeah.
Make sure there's enough fluid in there.
Huh?
No leaks?
Now.
1 of 4.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we got all the brake lines in. It took a little while because it's just difficult. You can't get ratchets or anything in there, it's just at a time. So now we got to bleed the brakes, get all the air out. We're using Type 200 Racing .4 brake fluid. It's what I use in all my cars. It's pretty good. So David is going to make sure that is topped off. Quinn's going to go in and press the brake pedal. Pumping. Hold on. Pumping the Honda. Alright guys, so we're done. We bled the brakes. All the lines are in. What you want to do is just make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. Make sure there's no air in the brake lines. You should be good to go. This should help us out when we start doing time trials in the future, along with all the other mods that we're doing. Check out our Fiesta playlist videos then for more Fiesta mods from mine and Quinn's car. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.